For now, on our model, we created a synchronization for price list between Prestashop and Odoo. For now, price list in Odoo corresponds to customer groups in Prestashop. As you can see here, we can see 3 customer groups, and after doing initial import master data, we can check that Presta initial import price lists have been done. So after that, we can see the same customer groups, the same price list as customer groups in Odoo. So how it works? Here we can see on our Prestashop connector in product default tab, enable price list integration checkbox and last update price list items. If this checkbox enabled, we can update and send new updated values from our price list from Odoo to Prestashop. So if we will go to sales, model, and over price list, here we can see our new price list, customer, guest, and visitor, for example. Here we can create some price list rules. We can choose for fixed price or discount. For example, let's choose 45%. We can choose all products, product code categories, or product variants. So let's choose product, go over. Let's choose minimum quantity for this price list item and period of validity. So apply, save and close, and from this moment when we save it, we have some options how to send this information from Odoo to Presta. First of all, we can make just force export to external, and it will be created a job with export price list items. Also, we can just update to external, and in this case, we will be sending, if the checkbox is activated, we will send all updated price list lines from this period, last update price list item. And also we can just click on force export to external on our price list, and all the information that we have in our price list will be sent from Odoo to Presta. So let's click on force export to external and update our product. So here we can see a new line, 45%, as we said. Also we need to notice that we can update the values, check new, apply, save, and in this case we can just click on export to external, and only this line will be sent to our Prestashop. So also I need to notice that we have a new cron send price list items. It works the same as update to external button, and it works if our checkbox is enabled, if activated. So also I need to notice that as we have 3 types of groups for our customers, and when we will be creating a new sale order, for example with customer John Doe, who belongs to customer group, after creating a new sale order, if we will try to find this customer, John Doe. Let's see. Yes, here it is. Yes, after creating sale order with this customer, here we can see a new field, price list, and he will receive the group from Presta. So this is how it works.